Discovering one's life purpose is a journey that often begins with a simple question: why am I here? For many, this question lingers in the background, quietly influencing decisions, aspirations, and even moments of doubt. Yet, the search for purpose is not about finding a single definitive answer. Instead, it's a process of exploration, growth, and self-discovery, a path that twists and turns as we learn more about ourselves and the world around us. At the heart of purpose lies the recognition of our unique strengths, passions, and values. It starts with self-reflection, taking the time to ask what truly matters to us. Consider what activities make you lose track of time or fill you with energy. Recall moments when you felt most alive, most connected, or most fulfilled. Often these experiences offer clues to your underlying motivations and desires. They point toward the things that resonate most deeply with your spirit. But understanding your purpose isn't simply a solitary endeavor. It unfolds through relationships, challenges, and contributions. Purpose grows as we interact with others, face adversity, and choose how we respond. It's shaped by the ways we care for people, pursue meaningful work, and give back to our communities. In many cases, purpose is found not in grand gestures, but in everyday acts of kindness, generosity, and empathy. Throughout history, philosophers and thinkers have grappled with the meaning of life. Some have argued that purpose comes from serving others, while others believe it arises from the pursuit of knowledge, creativity, or personal excellence. For some, faith and spirituality provide answers. For others, purpose is rooted in family, friendship, or the quest to leave a lasting legacy. Ultimately, there is no universal formula for discovering purpose, because each person's journey is unique. Yet, when we find a sense of purpose, the effects are transformative. Purpose gives us direction and motivation. It provides a sense of belonging and helps us navigate life's inevitable challenges. People with a strong sense of purpose often report greater well-being, resilience, and satisfaction. They are better able to set goals, adapt to setbacks, and maintain hope in the face of uncertainty. Living with purpose doesn't mean life will always be easy or straightforward. There are times when doubts emerge, when setbacks test our resolve, and when the path ahead seems unclear. In these moments, it's important to remember that purpose is not a destination, but a journey. It evolves as we do, shaped by our experiences and choices. Sometimes, simply persevering through hardship can deepen our understanding of what truly matters. For those seeking their life purpose, start by exploring your interests, values, and talents. Try new things, and don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. Listen to your intuition, but also seek feedback from trusted friends and mentors. Pay attention to the impact you have on others, and consider what kind of legacy you want to leave behind. Recognize that your purpose may change over time. As you grow and learn, your priorities may shift, and new opportunities may arise. Embrace these changes as part of your journey, knowing that purpose is not fixed, but fluid. Ultimately, living with purpose means striving to be authentic, compassionate, and intentional. It means using your gifts to make a positive difference, however small, in the lives of others. It means seeking meaning in both the extraordinary and the everyday. As you walk your own path, remember that purpose is not something to be found, but something to be created. With each choice, each act, and each moment of reflection, you shape your life's purpose. And in doing so, you discover the profound fulfillment that comes from living true to yourself.